Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest products in the market. Today, we have something special for all the sewing enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of sewing machines, specifically the Janome sewing machine. White, hailed as the best sewing machine for beginners making clothes. Let's jump right in. If you're just starting your sewing journey or looking to upgrade to a reliable machine, the Janome sewing machine is a fantastic choice. With its sleek design and cutting-edge features, it's no wonder why it's a favorite among beginners and seasoned sewers alike. Let's talk features. This machine is packed with everything you need to bring your sewing projects to life. With 200 built-in stitches, including 12 buttonholes and an alphabet, you have endless creative possibilities at your fingertips. But it's not just about quantity, it's about convenience too. The Janome sewing machine comes equipped with easy-to-use computerized buttons for start, stop sewing, easy reverse, locking stitch, and needle up, down functions. Plus, with a sliding speed control and LCD, you have full control over your sewing speed and settings. Versatility is key when it comes to sewing machines, and the Janome doesn't disappoint. Whether you're working on garments, home decor, or quilting projects, this machine has you covered. With a drop feed function for quilting and a removable storage compartment for free arm sewing, you can tackle any project with ease. But wait, there's more. The Janome sewing machine comes with a quilting accessories package, including a hard cover, extension table, even feed foot, darning foot, quilting guides, 1/4 foot, and extra needles. Talk about value for money. Now, let's hear what users have to say about their experience with the Janome sewing machine. Customers rave about its quality, ease of use, and value for money. Many users appreciate the smooth and effortless sewing experience, with perfectly clean stitches every time. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the Janome sewing machine is sure to take your sewing projects to the next level. Don't just take our word for it. See for yourself why customers are raving about this machine. That wraps up our review of the Janome sewing machine, White. If you're ready to elevate your sewing game, be sure to check out this top-notch machine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy sewing!